out and there was nothing there. Oh, that's so pretty. Take a picture. I sent it to me. Can I FaceTime Hannah when we're done with all the stuff in the airport after the messages? Oh, look at the highway. They're on the different side of the road. You can see it. That's so weird. Go ahead. No, I'm
Russia,
oh my God.
back from Pearl.
See? They're on like the right side. I feel like we're actually in movies now.
See the motorway?
Oh, look, there's a water park.
Comes up on there.
Why is there a water park here? It's the ocean. And a bunch of houses with red. I'm on a lake. Yeah, I'm on a lake. And a pool, I can see a pool. I want a pool. That's weird that they're on the wrong side. I know, I can see them driving.
The beach is on the other side.
That's so weird. This isn't Oahu, is it?
The beach is on that side. Chelsea.
What the? That's huge. Is that a hotel? No, it's a pool. Look at all the farms. That is so cool. Yeah. I see a jungle. Yeah. I don't know what to say. They say jungle gym. Come on, Schwarz. I'm getting it. That's not Schwarz. We say that. I said pool. Is that a school? Do you think maybe?
That's for Mike's driving.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You'll see Pearl Harbour out there.
At our side.
Yeah.
There's a big pool.
No, you aren't. It's on the other side.
Oh, it's on the side.
No, it's not.
Oh, there's a big green lake. That's off-putting. Oh, it's a golf course. Look at all the trucks. That's cool.
There's Pearl Harbour.
I found it talking about these right now.
And there. Under the wing.
I don't really know. It's just there's so many trees. I feel so out of place being here. They're going to be like, who's this? Why is it not in our country? If those are one houses, then they're huge. Oh no, it's like, oh my gosh. One house has a playground. Oh my gosh.
We did land.
Oh wow. Is that the airport?
Yep.
You can see the
Chinese pilot.
He's doing it.
Yeah.
we're getting down, so
There's the American Air Base.
This is the best feeling.
I love
this
this
bit.
feeling.
I love this.
I love it because I can get out and stretch my legs. So I love the feeling of going down. It feels like, is the back wheels meant to go down first? There we go.
Watch the wings, look.
I know, it's because it makes all the wind go over. Can't play a song yet, Mum. This is why. That's a kid. This is a kid. I feel much safer about playing Star Wars.
It's alright, 4 hours, you're getting on another one.
I know, but I feel safer now that I've done one.
Pretty fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mum, let's check you've got everything. Oh, that's Korean. Oh, maybe it's not Korean. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, aloha and welcome to the Honolulu International Airport. Local time is 10:40 a.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your continued safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Carry-on items properly stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us, please check about your seat area and in the overhead compartments for items you've brought on board. Use caution when opening the overhead compartments. Items may have shifted during the flight. You will be exiting either the first or second left-hand doors. Please watch your step. There will be a floor level change onto the jetway. Continue to refrain from smoking until well inside the designated smoking area.